Oh, it's just a regular winter wonderland out here. Maybe hard to see, but I've dug a little trench. Because of the never-ending field of white, it is somewhat hard to truly grasp. Oh, well, apparently Percy did poo. Excellent. Now, if you'll notice, or perhaps not, the snow is coming up to my knee. Good, I'm glad I didn't step in the poo. That wouldn't have been fun at all. There's my car, entombed in the snow. Let's see if we can zoom in. There we go. There it is, entombed in the snow. Yeah. And the thing, guy actually wanted to live in Alaska once. May have good gun laws and other laws, but sort of inclement weather. Oh, look at all the snow on the roof. Isn't that pretty? It's kind of hard to see. But don't worry. Don't worry, looky-loos. I'll have pictures, and the pictures may help more than the video. It just like... There's Mr. Dave, the Toulette's house. Hope I pronounced her name right, because that'd be pretty embarrassing if I didn't. And there's the Volkmans, who I really don't give a shit about. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll probably make more video of the blizzard of February 2010. Toodles all.